desirable Greenbrier Home is situated on a large fenced-in lot. Beautiful open floor plan offers 2-bedroom plus office plus Florida room. Actual cold square footage is 1,621 including the Florida room and office. Ceramic flooring throughout, no carpet, huge living room with sliding doors leading to Florida room. Large kitchen with appliances and lots of counter space. Master bedroom with a beautiful new baht, new vanity with granite countertop. Second bath also updated with new vanity and granite counters. Large Florida room with AC was divided and can be 3RD bedroom, one part is currently used as an office den. Back patio is overlooking a huge backyard. Community pool. Close to schools, shopping, countryside mall, downtown Dunedin and Safety Harbor Spa, 5 to 10 minutes to Honeymoon Beach / Caladesi.